Have you completed your research question? Excellent. The next section of chapter 1 is the significance of the study. Many students confuse this section with the background of the study or end up writing vague statements that don't explain the value of their research. In this video, I will explain what the significance of the study is, how to write it correctly, and the common mistakes you should avoid. So let's get started. So what then is the significance of the study? The significance of the study explains why the research is important and who will benefit from it. In other words, it answers the question, why should anyone care about this research? This section convinces readers that your study is worthwhile and has practical or academic value. So here are 4 steps that will guide you through on how to write your significance of the study. So the step 1 is identify your beneficiaries. So you have to ask yourself this question: who will benefit from this study? And common beneficiaries include, we have students, teachers, we have school administrators, policymakers, we have researchers, government agencies, NGOs, and then the general public. The second step is explain how each group will benefit. Don't just list the beneficiaries. Explain the specific benefits. For example, this study will help teachers identify effective teaching strategies that improve students' academic performance. Be specific and then realistic. The third step is link the beneficiaries or the benefits to your research topic. Every benefit you mention should relate directly to your study. Avoid discussing benefits that have nothing to do with your research problem. So the fourth and final step, you have to be realistic. Don't exaggerate the impact of your study. Instead of saying, this study will solve all educational or academic problems, you can say this way: this study may provide useful information that can help improve teaching and learning. That sounds academic and then credible. Here are some common mistakes you need to consider when writing your significance of the study. We have mistake 1. You have to avoid listing beneficiaries without explaining their benefits. And then the second thing is avoiding the copying of significant statements from other research projects. Third is you have to avoid writing benefits that are unrelated to your study. And then the final one is making unrealistic claims about your research significance or findings. Remember, your findings or your significance should be clear, relevant, and then evidence-based, not vague. The significance of the study shows readers why your research matters and who stands to benefit from it. A well-written significance section adds value to your entire research project. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with another student. Now that you've learned how to write the significance of the study, the next step is learning how to write the scope of your study, where you will define the boundaries of your research. Click on the next video in the chapter 1 series, and I will guide you through it step by step. See you in the next video. Bye.